Chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. On today's episode, I'm going to talk about Arweave. iLevel, it's you store your data permanently on the blockchain, and this is all about with the utility token. You can claim a token here, but just before to keep going, I'm going to close this beautiful ads ears from Brave browser. As you can see, I discovered this project on the trending on CoinGecko, a great way to know what people's looking for. So that's why I decided to make a spontaneous video about it, learn at the same time with you what this project has to offer to the world. But just before to keep going, I need you to take some couple of action for this great channel. Subscribe right now, bing, bing, bing. Smash the like button with vibrant and powerful energy. Psh, psh, psh. Leave a nice comment below about Arweave or other projects similar you want me to cover on these channels. As well, press the bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified every week from Monday through Friday. I release 5 episodes a week. And as well, spread it up by this great channel at your workplace and the street at school. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions right now. Thank you so much. So let's go back to arweave.org. Store data permanently. I just need to take some coffee just before moving on. So at high levels, Arweave enables you to store documents and application forever. This is really cool because you can immortalize your work, your data and stuff like that to the world permanently, and this is good for historian and for to keep history securely in a project like this, and this is really cool. Arweave enable you to store document and application forever. Sorry, I just need to change a little bit. So you can have browse the wiki. I'm going to show you in a little bit later on this video. So basically, I'm going to read that part. Arweave make information permanent, sustainable. This is all about permanent, sustainable. I love the semantic of these two words. So I'm going to read that part so we're going to learn at the same time. Arweave is a new type of storage that backs data with sustainable and perpetual endowment, allowing users and developers to truly store data forever for the very first time in human history. I don't adopt, but that's the sell pitch. Sorry about it. As a collectively owned arDrive that never forgets, Arweave allows us to remember and preserve valuable information and history indefinitely. By preserving history, it's prevent others from rewriting. The part I love is preserve valuable information and history indefinitely. This is really cool. Preserve valuable information as an history indefinitely. So welcome to the permanent web. I need to take some coffee. I'm going to play to read that part here. On top of the Arweave network live the permaweb, a global community owned web that anyone can contribute or get paid to maintain it. The permaweb looks just like the normal web, but all of this content from image to full app, it's permanent, reachable quickly, and decentralized forever. Just as the first web connecting people over very fast distance, the permaweb connect people over extremely long period of time. No more 404s, no more still edit, no more web app that decline in quality. So this is really cool. No more 400, no more still edit, no more web apps that decline in quality. So it's permanent. So they have different front end. I'm going to show you after that. I mean, sorry about it. Explore the permaweb. And if you want to put your email to stay in touch with the team and the latest development, go for it. Put your email and join us. Let's go jump to another outstanding section of Arweave and the wiki. What is Arweave? I'm just going to read the beginning so you get a sense of what this project has to offer. I'm going to read that part. What is Arweave? Arweave is a protocol that allows you to store data permanently, sustainably with a single upfront fee. The protocol matches people who have arDrive space to spare with those individuals and organizations that need to store data or host content permanently. This is similar to how Uber Connect deliver with people who need transport. This is achieved in a decentralized network like Bitcoin, and all data storage is backed by a sustainable environment, ensuring its accessible perpetuity. This is all about. On top of the core Arweave protocol live the permanent web, a global permanent web page and application that live forever. I invite you to read the rest because you have a sense just in the beginning what is Arweave. So we know that people, they put together people who have arDrive and people who need to store data indefinitely. So they both talk each other with an utility token that fuels this whole ecosystem. And this is all about, and this is really cool. So I invite you to read more if you want to have specific, you want to dig deeper and you want much information. So you have a lot of information like the Arweave project, the Arweave protocol, profit sharing, mining, building on Arweave, and resources. Let's go jump to another great section about this great project. Arweave claim a token. So you can try for free if you create an account or a wallet. I don't know exactly how these things work, but you can at least store something for free without to need to pay. So it's like a faucet. It's called faucet. Faucet.arweave.net that you can access from the main page, claim a token, and you can try on yourself the product if it's something is worth for you or not. This is really, really cool. So you say at high level instruction, download and save your wallet, a new wallet, post a tweet using your Twitter account, hit next, on done. I'm ready to follow. So you receive 0.05 ER that represents barely 0.66 cents in USD value. So let's go jump to another great section about this great Arweave project. So you have the arDrive here. One of the things you can access the permanent web on the main page here. So the arDrive, welcome to your private and secure decentralized pay as you go. So you pay only what you use. Censorship resistant and permanent arDrive. I love this two semantic word. Censorship resistant and permanent arDrive. Don't have a wallet? Get one now. So you can select a wallet and try to interact with the Arweave ecosystem. Let's go jump to another great features about Arweave. This is Argo. Is one of the part of the component of the family of Arweave. So the features of decentralized blockchain hosting and storage. I just need to have some coffee just before moving on. So you can deploy your website and application on the blockchain in minutes, like this. Use the development stack of your choice and let us handle the rest. Start deploying and read light paper. One-time payment, no hidden fees, 100% uptime, censorship resistant. Work with Jamstack framework, JavaScript, React, Vue, Angular, Next, GC, Docusaurus 11T. What is Argo? The simplest, fastest, and more affordable way to build and deploy your web app on the blockchain with no additional programming required. Decentralized and secure hosting. Deploying on the blockchain without writing any new code. Unified interface for maintaining your deployment and logs. Seamless integration with different decentralized storage network. Use your custom domain and get a 100% uptime guarantee. Designed for DeFi, NFT, and DEX. Argo provides everything you need at 1% uptime and censorship resistant decentralized hosting with all-in-one platform. Build your next DeFi, NFT, and DEX they have without having to worry about hosting it on the blockchain. Transparent, immutable, and cryptographically verifiable. Large build dataset. Web3 all-in-one interface give you a unified data management experience. This is really cool. And what's coming too soon? Blockchain storage aggregator. Argo by the number. 1,500 users, 600 plus deployment, 80 project. Launch your application 10x faster. Deploy your app on the preferred decentralized program. No additional programming required. Connect your repository, correct your setting, deploy your app. It's time for change. So unlimited bandwidth, DNS domains, censorship resistant, 100% uptime. Argo Web, this is a decentralized cloud network of your choice. Arweave, Skynet, Namemade, Handshake, and many more other that exists in the world of decentralization. Deploy and scale for free. So the decentralized cloud gives you access to infinite storage and bandwidth. One-time fee, 100% uptime, permanent and immutable, custom domain, free HTTPS, decentralized storage, unlimited bandwidth, fast deployment, censorship resistant, free Argo Live subdomain. Deploy and earn Argo token. Deploy your apps using Argo and become part of the Argo governance on Argo. What you get to Argo: yield farming, unified currency, and governance. So the that we are doing to prevent some major milestone in our journey. As you can see here, we are on Q3. Argo clear development, support more Jamstack integration, support essential domain integration, Bitbucket, GitLab, Radical integration, and Q4 decentralized CDN support, decentralized server aggregation, system stabilization, and node analytics. Meet our team. So let's go jump to the last and beautiful section of this beautiful solution. Start and manage your permanent web community. So you can use the permanent web is one of the features of Arweave ecosystem. So you can build community on the net, on new and improved web, the permanent web. That's just really cool. I need to take some coffee. You have access as well as profit sharing communities to replace the traditional startup model. Start with contract, interact from anywhere, intuitive dashboard, review ownership data, voting and governance, and fault system. As you can see, this solution of Arweave is very, very interesting. Don't forget, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just providing this information as educational purpose. Everything rely on your shoulders. In the meantime, I'm going to close this beautiful episode about Arweave. As well, I want you to take a couple of actions for this outstanding channel. The first one is join now, subscribe, smash the like button with vibrant and powerful energy. Psh, psh, psh. Leave a nice comment below about Arweave or solution of this kind. Don't be shy, leave a nice comment. Press the bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified from Monday through Friday. I produce 5 videos a week from now, just downgraded for 7 to 5. As well, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, industry, at school. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions. Thank you so much to have watching until now, and see you on the next one another day, and have a great day, my friend, and enjoy your day. Bye bye.